Well, greetings and salutations, good people of the internet. My name is Big Lou, and welcome to my workshop. This week's project, we're going to be doing a shop project and making a shop vac cart. I've got a United Dust Deputy and a 10-gallon trash can that I've been using just kind of haphazardly around the shop, and it's time to put it on a cart, just so that it's all in one place and much more efficient use of space and can move it around to where I need it to go. I don't really have a plan for what I'm going to be doing. I have what I want it to look like in my head, and I've got a bunch of scraps laying around. So we're just going to kind of do this Indiana Jones style.
Oh, I don't know. I'm making this up as I go.
Okay, so it occurred to me that I actually need to have some semblance of a design before I actually start cutting stuff. I'm just going to lay some stuff out here. I'm thinking maybe like that, and then like this, just so that we can have a base layout of what we're going to be doing, so that when we do go to make cuts, we know where we're cutting. So let's get to it. What? Nothing. I'm just wondering when you're going to get around to building that Microsoft stand you've been talking about. Shut up. Okay, so off camera I did a little prototyping, and we kind of moved from the Indiana Jones model into the Captain Cold model.
Make the plan, execute the plan, expect the plan to go off the rails, throw away the plan.
I think that a vertical layout is going to actually work out better, because I've got a much shorter distance between where the inlet is on the shop vac and the actual Dust Deputy throughput, whatever it's called. Anyway, and I think that having the up and over that I was going to do with all of the PVC tubing is really going to limit the airflow, and I think having a direct connection will be a much more efficient way to set this up. And it's going to be the same this way footprint, it's just going to be higher, and I've got 13 feet worth of higher that works out. So with all that in mind, I think we can go ahead and cut down this post. I'm going to do some stuff to secure a bracket down there and just add some stuff, put some wheels on it, and I think we're going to be good to go with this thing. So the frame is built, well, with the exception of putting wheels on it, but we'll get to that. I need to now start looking at what plumbing fittings I want to get. And most of this stuff, not most, all of this stuff I got from the plumbing section I got it at Home Depot, but you can get it wherever you get plumbing supplies. This is a 1 inch and a half by inch and a half coupler. It's going to just fit right on there. This is a PVC 90-degree angle with a outside diameter of 1.5 inches and an inside diameter of 1.5 inches. And the inside is just going to fit like that. And this one is the key to the whole dadgum thing. It's a 2-inch outside diameter by 2-inch inside diameter, or as it says on here, 2-inch plastic socket to 2-inch pipe fitting. And it will fit, the smaller end will fit right here like that. The larger end fits right on the outside of the inlet, just like that. Once everything is put together and tightened down, there should be very little air leakage. And if there is, I can always come back around with some silicone and stuff like that. I'm excited to see it put together. Let's get to it. So they say that the road to hell is paved with good intentions, and I don't know that that's necessarily the case here, but somewhere in doing this, my math was a little bit off, and I cut it to, this is too low, and it didn't need this coupling. I would have liked to have used this rubber coupling to just have a more secure fit, but again, I've been using this same type of setup with it, this being just friction fit on the top of the dust deputy for a long time, and it hasn't had any issues. If it does start to lose suction or whatever, I can always just throw some tape around here. I may do that anyway, but we'll see. Okay, it is done and I love it. And no, I say that with all my projects, but in this case I really do. It's going to make things so much more efficient for me working in the shop, because the dust container and the deputy and the cyclone is the deputy, but anyway, and the shop vac, the hoses, the attachments, it's all in one place. And if I'm moving from one tool to another, this thing has got a 20-foot hose on it that I can just move it wherever I need it to go. This particular shop vac I had to order online on Home Depot's website because they don't carry it in the store. I will put a link to it down below. I'll also put links to the hose that I have, the dust deputy, and if I can find it, the link to where I got this trash can. I think I just got it on Amazon. But anyway, I'm rambling. When I have things to clean, I'm going to clean this shop because it is filthy. Subscribe. I almost didn't say subscribe. Anyway, subscribe to the channel by clicking right here. I got something else fun for you to watch, probably up here somewhere. I'm going to get started on the next project. Stay motivated, stay inspired, stay safe. We'll see you next time.